Hi guys, welcome back. So we all love Snapchat, right? In this video, I'm going to share how to use Snapchat filters during your Google Meet or Zoom sessions. You can also use this to prank your friends as well. Let's get started. Go to this website called snapcamera.snapchat.com and here click on this download button. So after this, scroll down and agree to this privacy policy. There is an email option below. No need to enter your email ID. You can directly click on download for PC and download the software. And if you are a Mac user, hit on download for Mac and download the software. After downloading, now we are going to install the software. Now click on next, next, and then next. So wait for a while and then hit on finish. Now we have successfully downloaded and installed the software. Here click on next. And give finish. So here you can see there are plenty of filters available and you can also use that search bar and browse for filters. And basically this application is available only for desktop version. You can also add these filters to your favorites so that you can easily access it next time. For adding it to favorites, select any filter and click on this star icon. And then you're done. Now I'm going to show you how to use this during your Google Meet session. So here before joining, click on that three dots and then go to settings. Here click on video and under camera option select snap camera. Now you can see the filter has been applied. Click on join now. You can also switch between filters. For switching, go to the app and again click on any one of the filter. Do not close this app, just minimize it. So if you want to use your normal webcam, go to settings and in video, camera select integrated webcam. That's it guys. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay awesome.